what you need for spelling is your language art notebook, pencil, eraser, ruler, red pen, also your number 5 test, week 5 test, and your week 7 list. We'll start with putting the week 5 test into the book. Turn to the back of the notebook. Open to the page. Next page that's new. And, oh sorry, you also need a glue. So glue the test upon. After you do that, if you have any mistakes, I want you to fix it. You can look at my test, or you can look at your old list in the front of the book. My class, if there's an X, you know that means it's wrong. Go ahead and fix that. Correct spelling is W-O-O-L. Afternoon, make sure there's no space there. You can look at my test, or you can also look in your paper that you got before. If your class went in a different order, it's okay. Just write the correct spelling. Dictation, I look at the moon. That's wrong. It's circled. Fix it. My house has white. Spelled wrong. Fix it. Some class, I think they had different dictation. My balloon is white. Look at the moon from my roof. If this was your dictation, you can fix it looking at this. So this dictation or this dictation. If you didn't have a lot to fix, you'll probably be ready to go on to the next one. If you had a little bit more to fix, you can pause the video before you go on. Make sure you fix everything. After you're done with that, get your parents' signature, mom, dad, an adult. Don't get your baby brother or your sister to sign it, or don't sign it yourself. Make sure it's your parent. Okay, we will go on to spelling test number 6. Go to the next page, write the title, number 6, the date, June. Number from 1 to 10. Dictation 1 and 2. And let's take the test. Number 1. Shout. Shout. Don't shout in the hallway, it's too noisy. Number 2, mouth. Mouth. You eat with your mouth. Number 3, cheat. Cheat. Don't go back and look at the answer. That's cheating. Don't cheat. Number 4, art of art. aardvark? Aardvark is an animal. Number 5, boil. Boil. I will boil water to cook spaghetti. Number 6, coin. Coin. 100 yen is a coin, but 1,000 yen is not a coin, it's a bill, paper bill. Number 7, glue. Glue. Use glue to glue your paper in the notebook. 8, true. True. Is it true you saw a UFO yesterday? Number 9, cousin. Cousin. My mom's sister had a baby. That baby is my cousin. Number 10, bread. Bread. I like butter on my bread. Dictation number 1. Do not shout in class. Do not shout in class. Do not shout in class. Number 2, I eat bread for lunch. I eat bread for lunch. Stop the video there. Make sure you get ready for checking the answer. Get your red pen ready.